with Coach Vic Icasiano, and courtside we have Miss Mika Abisamis. Coach Vic, kumusta ka naman?
Then naman, just like to greet everybody happy Independence Day.
36-game losing skid dating back to last season. Last time they won was way back on May 1st.
And maybe because they won Labor's Day, now it's Independence Day.
Oo.
Baka pang ano sila?
Pang-holiday, no?
Pang-holiday.
Baka nga. Tingnan natin.
Him, they have a new guy in Justin Padua na hindi rin naman bago sa liga. Played for Marikina, Caloocan, at Parañaque na kalaban nila ngayon. Let's see, no, what these guys can bring. Ken Coach Vic.
Oh yeah, sa Taguig Generals, yes. Oo.
Malakas yung team nila doon.
Yes.
Always winning championships.
Yes.
I think Mike Sampurna is also part of that team. You know, being that our very first president also is from Cavite. Diba? Very apt yan para sa ating mga mahilig tumakbo. Ito, maganda yung pasa ni Janjan Salazar, setting up Reggie Boy Basibas.
The cutting Basibas towards the basket.
Si Janjan, tubong Barangay Santa Rosa, Cainta. Omar Matiliano, asintado galing sa labas. 14-6. Ball stolen away by Matiliano. Tapikan ng bola. Napunta kay Jobert Medina. Tumatakbo ang Parañaque. Koga back to Jobert Medina who will lay it in. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Got that blowout victory against Parañaque. Windy Santos will bury a three.
That's his shot.
To Soriano, kick out, Salazar. One dribble. Had an open look. Pero binigay pa niya kay Balong Marquez. Ball ending up with Matiliano. Medina, no look pass. Matiliano, he will drive and he will score off the glass. Salazar in traffic. Belenchon. Three-pointer. And he nails that one over Jobert Medina. Both teams shooting at least 10 threes. First quarter pa lang. Koga lumusot. Gumapang paloob. Tres with a rebound. Pasa na agaw ni Ian Pardo. Dylan Darbin sets his feet. Lets it fly. Andres nakuha yung rebound. Bounce pass. Medina. Kinuha sa kabila. Reverse layup. 26-13. 3.9 seconds. Bola na agaw pa. Dylan Darbin to beat the buzzer. No good.